Students, today I will tell you in QC classes for class 10 video number 7, in which I will tell you chain hydrocarbons, branch hydrocarbons, cyclic hydrocarbons, structure of hydrocarbons and homologous series. Students, yesterday I told you that you can easily distinguish between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. If carbon or carbon is bonded with single bond, then this is called saturated hydrocarbon. This is called saturated hydrocarbon or saturated compound. If carbon is bonded with single bond and also with double bond, this is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. And if it also contains single bond, double bond and triple bond, then also will be unsaturated. Means a simple distinction is, if carbon and carbon is bonded with single bond, then that will be saturated, and if single bond, double bond, then unsaturated, and if single bond, triple bond will be, then also unsaturated compound. One thing you should clear: compounds have many structures. Like I am writing you butane, molecular formula butane is C4H10. This is saturated because 4 carbons are bonded with single bond and number of hydrogens are 10. Valency of carbon is 4. You can satisfy the valency of carbon by this way. You count here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this has 10 hydrogen and 4 carbon. It is saturated because carbon and carbon is bonded with single bond. And this formula is also can be written. This also contains 4 carbon atoms and they are bonded with single bond. This is also saturated compound. You fill up the hydrogen here also, you will get 10 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of hydrogen is 10 also here. You count number of hydrogen: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 hydrogen. Students, you are seeing that both has same molecular formula, but they have different structure. Therefore, these compounds are called structural isomer. Structural isomer. Iso means होता है same. Iso means same. This is made by Latin word mer means part. It means those compounds which have same part but different structure, they are called structural isomer. You are seeing here both compound have 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen, but this is chain structure and this is branch structure. Therefore, they are called structural isomer. In very simple way, you can understand my view. You are 2 students, both have same part, but your structures are different. Therefore, you are called structural isomer. I think you have understand my view. Now I am telling you about cyclic structure. You know that hexane has formula 6,6,14. You can write this way. The first hydrogen and 14 hydrogen, 6 carbon, 14 hydrogen. This is saturated hydrocarbons. Similarly, you can write the formula of this. Number of valency of carbon is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 हाइड्रोजन बचे यहाँ. Here also 2 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of hydrogen is 2, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. 10 hydrogen and 6 carbon. This is cyclic. This have cyclic structure. Cyclic structure of hexane. गलती हो गया. Which has 6 carbon atom. This have chain structure, branch structure, and also unsaturated hydrocarbon structure like benzene. This is benzene. Molecular formula of this compound is C6H6. Its formula is C6H6. This is benzene. Student, you should remember always that valency of carbon should not be more than 4. Now you count here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So valency of carbon everywhere will be 4, not more than 4. Now I will tell you about homologous series. homologous series की जो हिंदी होती है उसका मतलब होता है प्रजाति श्रेणी. प्रजाति मतलब वो जो एक जात, जैसे रमन सिंह, चमन सिंह, नमन सिंह, सब एक जात के हुए. सिमिलरली होमोलोगस सीरीज होती है हाइड्रोकार्बन्स की. होमोलोगस सीरीज स्टडी आई टोल्ड यू 3 टाइप्स ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन्स: एल्केन, एल्कीन, एल्काइन. I am giving example to you about alkane. Alkane, its first compound is methane, second is ethane, third is propane, fourth is butane, and fifth is pentane. Now you see similarity between compounds that suffixes add "-ane" because they belong to similar group. Methane, I-angula; ethane, H plus N; prop plus N; but plus N; pent plus N. सब में I-angula. This is homologous series. These compounds are called the compounds of homologous series because they belong to same carbon chain and they are satisfying same formula. Now you are seeing that the two consecutive compounds are differing by CH2. अगर 1 कार्बन ऐड करो 2 हाइड्रोजन ऐड कर दो, नेक्स्ट कंपाउंड आपको मिल जाएगा. You add 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen, you will get ethane. Similarly, you add 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen, you will get propane. And two consecutive compounds differ in molecular weight by 14 units because they differ by CH2, and mass of CH2 is 12 plus 2, 14. So two consecutive compounds differ by 14 molecular mass and CH2 in compounds. This is called homologous series. Similarly, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene, heptene, octene, nonene, decene, and so on. Similarly, ethine, propyne, butane, so on. Tomorrow I will tell about alcohols: methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, and so many types of acid I will tell you tomorrow. This is too much for today. You understand seriously to this video, and if you have any problem, you write in comment box. I will answer to you. I hope that you will understand well to this video, and wishing best of luck. Thank you.